welcome to yet another video on our channel Euclid Mathematics. We have started lecture series on MHT CET Mathematics, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and other competitive exam too. So without further ado, let's get dive to our today's lecture. In my today's lecture, I'm gonna explain to you all one of the question. It is from MHT CET Mathematics, which is a completely based on a straight line chapter. And after of that, if it is possible, we'll go for more example. And another example, it is from the trigonometric is also there. So let's get start and read our first question. So in our question, we have given a plane. Three planes are given. Okay. So if first plane is given here, x minus cy minus bz, which is equal to 0. Second plane, cx minus y plus az, which is equal to 0. And third plane is given bx plus ay minus z, which is equal to 0. And all these three planes passes through a straight line. Three of these planes are passes through straight line. Then we want the value for a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So in order to find out the value for a square plus b square plus c square, we need to remember one result from the straight line chapter. So if planes are passes through a straight line, there are one result that we can use this one to find out the value for a square plus b square plus c square. Now first option it is given 1 minus abc, second option abc minus 1, third option 1 minus 2 times abc, and fourth option 2 times abc negative 1. So we have to figure it out which one of the option correct here. So now let's just directly dive into our today's solution. I will explain to you all each and every step detail. Here in our solution of our question number 27, we can see here we have given three planes. First is x minus cy minus bz, cx minus y plus az, which is equal to 0, and third plane is bx plus ay minus z, which is equal to 0. Using these planes, here we have three planes. All these three plane passes through a straight line. So using these three planes, we want the value for a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So if we have three planes which passes through straight line, then we can write the corresponding value of these equation of planes. Their determinant it goes to 0. Okay. So the result it says that here the corresponding values for first plane is a 1 minus c minus b, 1 minus c minus b, c negative 1 and a, c negative 1 a, and third plane b a negative 1, b a negative 1. So these are the corresponding value from our plane. So if this passes through a straight line, that means their determinant is 0. So how easy it is? We just have to find out the value from our determinant. Okay. But main challenging part is here to convert our standard form of a planes into the matrix form. Okay. And then further part is just need to solve only the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So let me explain one more time. So here the coefficient for first plane 1 minus c minus b, 1 minus c minus b, second c minus negative of 1 a, c negative of 1 a, and third b a negative of 1, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now let's find out the value for our determinant. It's just a 3 by 3 determinant. We have to solve it. Okay. So here 3 by 3 determinant, one common here, solve this 2 by 2 determinant, we'll get the 1 minus a square. So if you don't know how to find the values from the determinant, you may check it into my playlist. I already uploaded plenty of the videos there. Okay. And if you want, even after if you have doubt, let me know in comment section. I'll come up with the another videos. Okay. So here first determinant value here, second negative c, negative c, positive c. Then here find out 2 by 2 determinant. Again take third element and find out this 2 by 2 determinant here. Okay. And which is equal to 0. Now go for solving. Just it is only a simplification of these terms. So we can say that here c is here the option from our question, which is a c, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, which is equal to 1 minus 2 times abc. Okay. So 1 minus a square plus minus c square minus cab minus bac plus minus b square. Okay. Cab bac will get cancelled and you will get the a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1 minus 2 times abc, which is a required option c from our question. Okay. So how easy that question? We just have to apply one result and you will get the easy answer. So these are the easy type of question that we can understand easily and solve easily also. Okay. So let's go for one more example in our lecture. Okay. So that second example, which is completely depend on the trigonometric chapter. So let's get to start it. So here is our next question, question number 26. Okay. So which shows that we have the equation, trigonometric equation as cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree up to cos 179 degree. Okay. And we have to figure it out which one of the option is correct for our question number 26. So first option is A0, second B1, C negative 1 by 2, D negative 1. Okay, so here it seems like that we no need for the solution of this example. This is just observation based answer only. Okay, so we can see that cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree. So between of that, we'll get the one more step here. Before 179 degree and after 3 degree, so we'll get the cos 90 degree also. Okay, because these terms are having some kind of a relation between them. So 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree to 179 degree. That means between of these two terms, we'll get the cos 90 degree also. And we know that when we have cos 90, we get the value 0. So whatever the value coming from 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree up to 179 degree, when we multiply cos 90 degree means 0. So we'll get the all values are 0. That means the option A, which is correct here. It is only observation based question. Okay, so we don't have to solve the value for 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and so on. We just have to pick one value from our question and prove that that value goes to 0. And if that value goes to 0, that means our whole question it goes to 0. So our correct option from our question number 26, which is option number A. Okay, I hope you all have understood the solution from question number 26. I don't think that we have to go for the handwritten solution. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for my today's lecture.